this, that the digital gold rush in Africa is very high. Africa in particular is rapidly becoming a hub for digital entrepreneurship, with over 570 million internet users across the continent as of 2024, and mobile phone penetration expected to reach 84% by 2025, whereby by the end of 2025 December, the opportunities to make money online are bigger and much more bigger than ever before. You guys, in this video, I'm bringing for you 10 proven ways to make money online in Africa, in Uganda, in Ethiopia, in Kenya. Is it in Ghana? Or you're talking about any African country? Starting with relevant statistics that I'm going to be giving you and examples that I have seen while I grow on social media and on internet in particular that have inspired me, and also they're educating us. According to a 2023 GSMA report, digital jobs in Africa are projected to grow by 40% by 2030. Now we are in 2025, meaning in 5 years to come. From content creation and affiliate marketing, freelance work, and e-commerce, young people are leading the way, turning smartphones and internet access into income streams. Do you really have any objection about this? No. For you people, to bring a disclaimer here, I'm not a financial advisor nor a financial expert. I'm just a young, beautiful lady who decided to venture into this one after seeing examples that I'm going to give you today, reaping lots of dollars out of online marketing, out of content creation, freelancing, and even remote work. In real life, I can give you some of the examples that in Africa they are very much well known, and the things they are doing are really familiar to you. Who are these people? We have Modemaya, who comes from Ghana. He's a YouTuber making thousands of dollars monthly through content creation and brand deals. Then when we go to Nigeria, we have Blessings Abeng. Blessing Abeng is a branding expert who has built a thriving online business serving clients globally. When we go to Kenya, we have Kenyan freelancers on platforms like Upwork. I think for Kenyans, they have a plus in that on Upwork and Fiverr, who are earning full-time incomes from the comfort of their homes. I've been following these people even 4 years back before I started YouTube, before I started anything to do with online. I've been seeing them. I didn't know that things were real until when I also started seeing they are real. Now let's explore 10 powerful and realistic ways you can start earning online in Africa, even as a beginner. Before I do this, happy Easter, lovelies. If you see this video on Easter or during the Easter holidays, I wish you a very good Easter holiday. And also to you who are our royal, can I call you our royal fans, our royal followers, our students, I love you so much. There are these people that really my heart feels for you. My heart is with you. The moment we put any over upload, is it a blog? Is it, should we call it a post? Is it a short? You're always there to engage it. And above all, I've seen you people go ahead and practice these things. Thank you very much. Let's dive in and see what are these 10 ways. The first one is YouTube content creation, which I'm doing even right away. I've done and I've made some good amount of money. I'm still making it on every monthly basis. Creators or create videos around your passion, you guys. From education to comedy to daily vlogs, you can earn from AdSense, brand sponsorship, and affiliate links. Here, I gave you already an example of Modemoya, who he earned through YouTube AdSense and partnership, showcasing Africa to the world. You can do it. The only pro tip I can give you here, start with your smartphone, upload consistently, and engage your audience. You guys, there is nothing to wait for tomorrow. There is no money that you need to look for. I started with an Android phone. I started at the camp, just in a small room until where I am. So today, it's never too late. You would have started yesterday, but since you didn't start yesterday, today is the best day as you see. Are you in Africa? Which country are you in? Please start right away. How do you start a YouTube channel? If you want to know how to start a YouTube channel, please put it in the comment section. I'm going to come here. If you don't know, I will take you through in a step-by-step tutorial and you do it. The second online way to make money online is freelancing. When we're talking about freelancing, I'm talking about writing, designing, technical work. This is what we are talking about. And in this, we have seen that Kenyans, or Kenya as the Gen Zs, have been expert, and they are taking the first part in Africa. So what you do, you can go ahead and use platforms like Upwork, you use Fiverr, you use Freelancer, and even you can go and also look for TopTal. TopTal, you can offer services like writing, you can offer other services like graphic designing, programming, digital marketing, and many more. What you do, go and deep down research about freelancing. If you don't know and you want maybe also a tutorial about it, put it in the comment section. And if also you know, please write for me. I know. I will have to know which type of audience am I talking to right now. Examples here, I can give you many Nigerians and Kenyans have built their six-figure freelance incomes by writing or coding for global clients. So what about Uganda? What about other nations where let's pull out our socks and start doing work? The third online business is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, only that word you can hear. It is about products. About a product can be, you can talk about a service or a product, either tangible or not tangible. Here you promote products or services online and earn commission for each sale. How do you promote them? Here, we are going to promote them using our blogs. You have YouTube, you have TikTok, you have Facebook, you're there on Twitter. So you use these other platforms to promote the links of the products you want to do it. Examples of Africans here, we can talk about African marketeers who earn from Jumia, Amazon Associates, and Pioneer Affiliate programs, you guys. We have very many, and when we talk about Jumia, Jumia is one of the platform that is leading in Uganda, in Kenya. So you can go for them. These ones are there. The only thing I'm going to tell you, a pro tip, it is to focus on promoting digital products. Digital products are wow. Digital products like courses or softwares. This one, they come with high commission and people are looking for it. Let's say the fourth one. The fourth is about blogging. Blogging is very easy. We have seen people do it. Start a blog in a niche you understand. Most people don't understand what a niche is. By the way, you're a niche yourself. Finance, lifestyle, tech, or even health. These are niches. And if you go to look up around them, these are the things that we're doing on a daily basis. I always tell you people, you are a niche yourself. You have what it takes to start a blogging. Monetize through AdSense, affiliate links, or even selling other people's products, even your products. If we go to Che to see, there is one guy from Nigeria called Uche Ize Pedro. He has turned her blog Bella Ninja into a media empire. You guys, these are the people I sit down and say, wow, when will mine go up to that extent? But we can do it. Let's see print on demand. POD is one of the businesses that I recommend, and I've done it. You sell customized t-shirts, mugs, and other products using your platforms or using other platforms. Platforms like Teespring, Printful, Redbubble. Even you go and use mine. I'm yet to even put for you a link of my own such that you can go and order for your things. What is good here? The good thing with this, there is no inventory needed. If you want to know about it, write it in the comment section. I really recommend you to use trending African slangs, designs, even cultural patterns to appeal globally because they are a hot cake. The sixth business is drop shipping. Start an online store and sell products without holding stock. Use Shopify, use WooCommerce or Marketplace like Jumia and Konga. You guys, go to young entrepreneurs in South Africa. They're building dropshipping businesses, targeting both local and international buyers. What about my country, Uganda? Where are you? Wake up. Don't sleep on TikTok without even doing this. Should we see social media management? Many businesses are looking for people to manage their Facebook, Instagram, TikTok pages, but we don't have people. You can charge monthly, you can even charge daily, depending on how you want it. This one, they retain, you can do posting, you can even do other things depending on how you're going to talk with your clients. The pro tip here is learn basic tools like Canva, like Meta Business Suites, and even Buffer. Here, you'll be a king of online social media management. Can we do a survey. Online tutoring and coaching is the eighth one. Teach a subject you are good at. And these subjects we talk about like math, French, coding, even music. Platforms like Prepare, Teach Me Now, and even WhatsApp Zoom are getting a great praise for you to start from. You can start right now. Let's talk about teachers in Africa. They earn around $10 to $50 per hour teaching languages or academic subjects to international students. What are you waiting for? Sell digital products is business number 9, the way number 9. Create and sell ebooks. How? Online courses, templates. You can even use platforms like Pesta, Storefront, Gumroad, or others, very many like Seller CO. This one, they will help you to sell your product. Examples. You guys, I love Nigerians, how they do it, especially Nigerian creators. They are using Seller to sell courses on crypto, writing, and even social media growth. You can be among them. Why not? Paid surveys and microtasks. Paid surveys and microtasks is the 10th way of earning money online. If we go to check on platforms for this, we can go to platforms like Swagbanks, Remote Task, and even Clickworker. This one, they offer small tasks for cash. This is the ideal for beginners, of course. If you want to test yourself, you begin from here. The tip I want to tell you is why this won't make you rich, but it is a starting point. Me, I started from paid work, whereby I was earning less than $1 per day. So what you need to do is to start. If you start today, you're going to grow into more advanced digital skills. What I encourage you is that the internet has revealed the playing field with just your smartphone, a stable internet connection, and even the willingness to learn. You can build real income online right away from Africa. You don't need to go to Europe to develop this one. What you need to do it is to start small. You have to stay consistent. And remember, someone out there is making it work with less than what you have. Then why not you? Go, girl, gentlemen, go out there and make it work. And the money you get from there, you can do the investments, you can do the empires. So thank you very much. I hope that people in Africa, you have had these 10 ways you can get one of them and start from there. Would you like to go to the comment section and tell me if you'd start right now, which one would you start with? I would love to hear from you. Please. I love you so much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.